presenting the 2013 Kia Optima LX. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are ABS, 4-wheel, air conditioning, manual, antenna type, window grid, anti-theft system, aspiration, normal, center armrest, center console, full with covered storage, clock and cup holders, front and rear. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.